What's going on? Raul de la Vega with your Mortgage Minute. I want to talk about FHA loans. In particular, I just want to put a small topic, which is the most important in my opinion for FHA loans, and that's upfront mortgage insurance and monthly mortgage insurance. And what are the two? So I want to explain it, and a lot of people don't take the time to explain this part. The Federal Housing Administration gives loans. They do these loans at a minimum of 3.5% down payment. Now, these loans have mortgage insurance attached to them. This mortgage insurance, one of them is paid up front that gets tacked onto the loan amount. The other one gets paid monthly. All right. So I want to go over what mortgage insurance is. Upfront mortgage insurance is an additional insurance premium of 1.75% that is collected on FHA loans. That 1.75% of the loan amount gets tacked on to what the loan amount is after your down payment. This is very important for you to understand. Conventional loans do not have upfront mortgage insurance. This insurance protects the lender in case you go into default and you go into a foreclosure situation. Now, FHA requirements for mortgage insurance are as follows. Most people fall into this category. Loan under $625,000 with less than 5% down payment. That's why most people get FHA loans, to be able to come with 3.5% down only. So normally that's 100 bips. What does that mean? It's 1% mortgage insurance to you monthly. How does that affect you as far as the payment? That's what you want to know. So mortgage insurance is calculated monthly. If you get a 15-year FHA loan, which I've personally never done before, but if you were, your mortgage insurance would be lower. As you can see, you would fall into this different category. I don't need you to remember what those categories are, just that it's less. So this is where the nitty-gritty in the Mortgage Minute comes in. This is a very good explanation. Let's say you buy a house for $575,000 is the purchase price. Then you put a down payment of 3.5%, which is what FHA requires. That down payment would be $20,000. Now, if you subtract 20 from the 575, you get a loan amount of $554,000. All right. So now you got that loan amount of $554. So you just multiply 1.75% of $554. It equals $9,700. So then that upfront mortgage insurance premium, that fee gets tacked on to what you owe. So you don't owe $454, you owe $564. And that's going to be the debt that you will carry. And the kicker will be that mortgage insurance will be also monthly by $470. How is that $470 calculated? Simple. You just do the loan amount. Let me see if I could transfer that over here. Let's see if we could make this work. This is how you calculate it. 585 times 0.001. It's $470 a month exactly. Anyway, this is what I really want you to understand when you're getting an FHA loan. I think an FHA loan is a great loan to get into a property. Minimal down payment, minimal mortgage insurance, and it has really low interest rates. So when you're looking into buying a home, please get all your options, conventional, FHA, VA, whatever they may be. Please give me a call. Please contact us here at the Mortgage Minute, Patriot Home Loans, Raul de la Vega, and I hope this helped you out a little bit. Talk to you later. Peace.